Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies the easy way. First, gather all your ingredients like cocoa powder, sugar, and eggs. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and lightly grease an 8x8-inch baking pan. Next, melt half a cup of butter and whisk it together with 1 cup of sugar until well combined. This creates a smooth, sweet base for your delicious brownies. Now crack in 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Once baked, it's crucial to let your brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This step is essential for achieving that perfect fudgy texture and prevents them from crumbling when you cut them. After they've cooled, you can easily lift them out and cut them into 16 uniform squares. Now, your delicious, homemade brownies are ready to be enjoyed by everyone. For an extra treat, consider folding in half a cup of chocolate chips or chopped nuts into the batter before baking. This adds another layer of flavor and a delightful crunch. Store any leftover brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to keep them fresh and fudgy. They're perfect with a scoop of ice cream or a glass of milk. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a great book about money and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.